SCM, is a transformative urban renewal and retrofitting program by the Government of India. For competitive exams, it is essential to understand it as a flagship initiative of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, MoHA, that redefined urban governance through cooperative and competitive federalism. As of early 2026, the mission has reached a critical milestone, with the final deadline for its original projects having passed on March 31, 2025. 1. Origin and Establishment. Launched June 25, 2015. Purpose: to drive economic growth and improve the quality of life by enabling local area development and harnessing technology. Timeline: originally a 5-year mission, 2015 to 2020, it was extended multiple times, with the final central funding window closing on March 31, 2025. Nodal Ministry: Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. 2. Membership and Selection. Unlike previous schemes, the SCM used a City Challenge competition to select cities. Total selected cities: 100 cities. State-wise distribution: Uttar Pradesh has the highest number, 13, followed by Tamil Nadu, 12, and Maharashtra, 10. Selection logic: based on a formula giving 50:50 weightage to the urban population of the state, UT, and the number of statutory towns. 3. Core features: the 4 pillars. A smart city is built upon a comprehensive development of 4 pillars: physical infrastructure, water supply, electricity, sanitation, and mobility. Social infrastructure: education, health, and entertainment. Institutional infrastructure: e-governance, digital security, and citizen participation. Economic infrastructure: promoting employment and investment. 4. Strategic components: the 3 approaches, the mission implemented projects through area-based development, UBD, and Pan-City initiatives. Strategy. Definition. Example: retrofitting: improving an existing area, greater than 500 acres, to be more efficient. Local area development in Ahmedabad. Redevelopment: replacing existing built-up environment, greater than 50 acres, with new layout. Bhendi Bazar, Mumbai. Greenfield: developing a previously vacant area, greater than 250 acres, using smart solutions. Gift City, Gujarat, Naya Raipur. Pan City: applying smart solutions across the entire city infrastructure. Integrated Command and Control Centers, ICCC. 5. Implementation Mechanism, the SPV. A unique feature of this mission is the Special Purpose Vehicle, SPV. Function: each city created an SPV, a limited company under the Companies Act, 2013, to plan, appraise, release funds, and monitor projects. Structure: promoted jointly by the state, UT, and the urban local body, ULB, with a 50:50 equity shareholding. Leadership: headed by a full-time CEO and a board comprising nominees of central, state, and local governments. 6. Financing model. Centrally sponsored scheme: the central government provided 48,000 crore rupees, average 100 crore rupees per city per year. Matching grant: state governments, ULBs, were required to provide an equal amount, 50:50 ratio. Additional funding, sourced through public-private partnerships, PPP, municipal bonds, and convergence with other schemes like Amrut and Swachh Bharat Mission. 7. Current status and interrelated facts, 2026, operational milestone. All 100 smart cities have successfully established Integrated Command and Control Centers, ICCC, which now act as the digital nerve centers for traffic, water, and emergency management. Completion rate: by the March 2025 closure, over 99% of sanctioned projects were completed in states like Uttar Pradesh. Post-mission phase: since the official shutdown in 2025, no new central projects are being sanctioned, but states, like UP and Tamil Nadu, have launched their own state smart city missions to replicate the model in other municipal towns. Successor projects: In early 2026, cities like Tiruchirappalli and Thiruvananthapuram are commissioning final stage underground drainage and warehouse complexes that were initiated under the mission. Critical note for exams: the ICCCs proved their utility as war rooms during the COVID-19 pandemic for real-time tracking and resource allocation, demonstrating the power of the Pan-City ICT component. Would you like me to provide a list of the top-ranked smart cities based on the most recent India Smart Cities Awards contest, ISAC?